What's up, guys? Here I am, AHR 2022 Las Vegas. Let's head in there and see what we can find. Well, guys, right off the bat, this place looks huge. So I'm gonna take a walk around and see what we can get into. All right, guys, I'm here at the Appion booth with Jake. He's going to tell us a little bit about the products.
Hey guys, wake up, Jake.
Yeah, so our vacuum hoses, we come in a speed kit V. That's our evacuation. We also have a speed kit R for recovery. Comes with 2 half-inch diameter vacuum hoses, 6 foot. All our hoses come with our patented hose hangers. And then we got 4 core removal tools, 2 at 5/16 inch and 2 at 1/4 inch. And then it will come with our half-inch and 3/8 inch speed Y. The whole point of these is to take away the manifold, because manifolds are super restricted. They have a lot of leak points, turbulent flow. These have merging flow paths, so there's no restriction at all. And connecting your 2 hoses, especially if you're using the Testo, we already come with a multi-port input, but you add the half-inch speed Y on top, plus the 2 hoses, and you have 4 half-inch hoses coming off the top, and I mean,
nice.
You don't get much faster than that. So
I'm looking for my boss to upgrade me to a new awesome vacuum pump.
Yeah, and that's the biggest thing is with the Testo is our oil cartridge system.
Yeah.
And that's, you know, refillable. We sell it in a gallon and a quart as well. But yeah, so you don't ever have to break vacuum, never turn the pump off. And because the key to a fast evacuation, yeah, you can have all the hoses, but clean oil. And so
awesome.
You can replace your oil. Ultimate deep seal vacuum pump oil has an ultimate vacuum of less than 1 micron. So you keep that in the pump the whole time, and yeah, you'll rip it. You'll go fast. And that's
awesome.
what we're all about. So.
Well, thank you, Jake, for explaining that. It was awesome. I'm happy to be here, man. It was nice to meet you.
Likewise.
All right, guys, I found it. The booth I've been looking for. Here we are, Veto Pro Pac.
I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Too true for the flex, baby, don't cap to me. Drop 50, bring 150 right back to me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Look, Papa don't preach, teachers don't teach. Gon' reach, that's facts. I ain't worried about none of that. I'm making that cash day. Bunch of O's like NASCAR, but it's really more like NASDAQ. Why they thinking that they hot when they really more like?
This is awesome. Veto Pro Pac, best bags in the business. I wish everybody was here at AHR. Check out this Veto booth. Incredible stuff. In fact, I want to get one of these to hang in my van just for odds and ends. Tools I don't normally carry in my everyday tool bag. Very awesome. I'm looking for a smaller bag. Maybe something like this. I have the MC. I tell you what, they got the cream of the crop here. Every bag you could ever want. All right, guys, I'm gonna move on from Veto. I'll probably be back. Let's see what else we can get into. Guys, check it out. I found a bunch of guys from Pittsburgh here. Local 449. I know some guys in your union. You enjoying Vegas?
A little too much.
A little too much.
Maybe
Awesome.
maybe a little much.
Guys, I got Mark here. He was just telling me these new Dewalt tools, you can actually track them. So if you leave your drill inside a rooftop, up on a roof, you got 15 units, you're not sure where it's at. You track that right from your smartphone?
That and or a gateway.
And a gateway.
Via Bluetooth.
So you would walk close and it would beep?
About 100 feet.
Nice, nice. And you guys know I've always been a Dewalt fan. I had their drills, their tools. This one's gonna be next on my list, right there. I tell you what, that battery tracking technology is awesome. I might have to get that so I don't ever lose a drill or a tool again. I'd never thought about that. Dewalt. Guys, I'm here with Matt from Dewalt/Lennox. He's telling me about his new Sawzall blades.
Yeah, hey Ryan, what's going on? We got our new Wave Edge bimetal reciprocating saw blades. So these blades feature a patent pending cutting technology on the cutting edge, which we're rolling out to all the most common applications like metal cutting, demolition, wood, metal, or plastic. It delivers up to 50% longer life than our previous generation product.
And that's awesome, guys, because you've seen me cutting the shafts on these blower rebuilds. Sometimes I'll have to go through 3, 4, 5 Sawzall blades. Yeah. I might have to have Tim pick me up a pack of these so we can give them a try. Awesome. Well, the guy from DeWalt's gonna send me some free Sawzall blades to give him a shot on the next blower rebuild I do. I'm pretty excited about that. Ooh, I see the Navac booth. Let's go check it out.
We got 2 different reamers. I prefer this one because it's so smooth. Next, we want to grab our die. So we have different dies for different sizes. So as you see, I'm doing 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch pipe. Our kit goes all the way from 3/8 all the way up to 3/4. We've really simplified the process of making a flare. What you really need to do is just get it right up to the stop there. Then you're going to bring the tool to the pipe.
Okay.
So you basically get it inserted, make sure the lines line up with the arrows, make sure you get that positive cam action going on, press the button, and let it go.
Really?
Now, if you're in a loud location, like in a construction site where most of us work, we have a light right here. This is indicating that is in the process of making the flare. When that light goes out, you'll know you're done. About 12 seconds. Pull the tool away.
Awesome.
Look at that flare, right? Now we got to prove that it's perfect. How do you do that? We need a tool. Look real closely at that gauge and look, there's a little stop in there.
I see it.
That's the difference between a good flare and a bad flare. This tool shows us a couple things. 1, that it's round, and 2, that it's exactly the right size. It won't go through.
Yeah. Because with these mini splits these days, these flares have to be perfect or you've wasted refrigerant, you're chasing leaks. I mean, this is the tool to have, guys. He missed one thing, though.
Real game changer.
He forgot to put the nut on it.
Oh, Navac even has a solution for that. So let me show you our cutter. Watch how close I'm gonna be able to get this, because when you're making that final connection behind a ductless head, how much extra pipe did you really run?
Yep.
Maybe not enough. But we've all done this. We've all forgotten to put that flare nut on there.
Absolutely.
I've literally done it 3 times in one day. You know, sometimes it's hard to teach an old dog new tricks, but here we go. That's a minimal amount of pipe right there, is it not?
You can stretch that.
Yeah, I can make that work. But if I cut off an inch, you make 1 inch, it really doesn't matter.
Sure.
That's what she said.
Thank you, Mark, for that demonstration. What an awesome tool. What's the model number of this?
This is the NEF 6LM.
Awesome, guys. Check out Navac. Go to their website, navacglobal.com.
There you go.
Well, apparently the people over at Uniweld are working on the second moon landing or something, because they did not want me recording. There was absolutely no discussion about it. I explained to the guy what I was doing. He didn't seem to care. So I turned my camera off and I left. Shortly after leaving the Uniweld booth, I was approached by a security guard or some sort of personnel for the convention center, and they informed me that recording was prohibited. I explained to them who I was and what I was doing, and it was not really a big deal. but they advised me there was no recording. So from this point in the video, I tried to keep my recording somewhat hidden and stealthy. I didn't want to get kicked out, you know, shortly after arriving at AHR on the first day. So I decided to try to keep it undercover, but at some point, I didn't even care anymore. I just recorded and it kind of put a sour taste in my mouth. It was a beautiful event. Everything you see from this point on was just limited recording because I had pretty much gotten over the fact that I was going to record anything. And the guy from Uniweld, thank you. I don't know what top secret things you're working on over there, but apparently it's big things coming from Uniweld because they don't want the secret out. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. Stick around to the end because I talked to some pretty cool people that you might want to see.
Do you post price on a website? Do you not post price on a website? I've heard valid arguments for both. I have my opinion. You know me, I'm an analytical nerd with numbers and data.
Wow, that's slick.
We have the instant 5/8 in here. You go ahead and put your strut in there as long as it's within the bracket here. You gotta have a big enough piece. You can't do like a small one.
Sure.
So you go ahead and put it in, run the cycle. Shears it clean. You have a nice burr-free
Nice.
square cut.
That's a beautiful sound it makes there at the
Sure
end
does,
too.
yeah, right? Nice snap. Nice
Right on.
Yeah, so there's...
Nice. Guys, I'm here at the Testo booth, man. They got some new stuff coming out. Real interesting. Here at AHR 2022. Here's my card, buddy, if you ever want to check out my YouTube channel.
Absolutely, here, and I'll give you my card. I'm the product manager here
Awesome.
at Testo. So,
Nice. These are sick.
yep, these came out last year.
Nice.
So that scale will actually work on here as well too. So you don't need the app, or you can use the app. whichever way
Okay.
you want to do it.
Nice. Yeah, I saw a bunch of YouTube videos where you guys handed them all out to HVAC overtime guys and stuff like that. That was cool.
Yeah.
And then I saw Ernesto from Tito Vlogs.
Okay.
Vlogger. He took them and he threw them up in the air and then it came down and hit the roof.
Yep.
But apparently they're tough. So guys,
are tough.
check out Testo. Testo.com. I buy all my stuff through TrueTech Tools. Do you guys work with TrueTech Tools?
Yes, we do.
Nice.
Yes, we do.
Awesome. Well, thanks for your time, man.
Yeah, absolutely. Nice to meet you as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Taco. Not taco, because tacos are for eating, but taco is for heating.
Awesome.
And that's a fact, Jack.
All right, guys, I'm here at the Viper booth, man. You guys know these products. Big Blue, the wet rag, the wipes. I love these things. I get them from United Refrigeration all the time. I mean, these are the Venom packs. You know, you get a ton, 9 gallons out of this. You just mix it with water in your pump sprayer, and it's good stuff. You guys have seen me use this. The wet rag for wrapping your TXVs, your filter dryers, all that good stuff. Look, we're gonna get a little demonstration here. Look where his hand is, guys. I mean, you guys know how quick copper gets hot. I've used this product personally, wrapping TXVs, no issues. If it dries out, you just throw a little bit of water in the tub and it's good to go. Might get a little dirty looking, but you know what? It's not that expensive, and I mean, look at where his hand is. Awesome. What a product. And John Pastorella, Didn't he invent this?
Yes.
Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, guys, check out the refrigeration technology, all their Viper cleaner, all their Viper products. It's good stuff. We're here at AHR 2022 in Las Vegas. This is a great company. Check them out. Hey guys, I'm here with John Pastorillo, the inventor of Wet Rag, running Refrigeration Technologies. Great products. He's a hell of a man. You enjoying yourself over here at the expo?
I always enjoy coming to these shows because I meet all the people that have been using my products over all the years, and I get a chance to introduce new people to my products. Sorry the voice is going out. You know, that bug that's running around is kind of ratcheting everyone's throats.
Yep.
But, hey, I'm a subscriber here to HughesMan.
You hear that? The man here.
I watch his videos all the time. Now, furnace related right now, but I'm sure we'll get into the good, juicy, cooling stuff.
Oh yeah.
When the temperature comes.
And I love that Wet Rag, and I love those Viper hand wipes.
Oh, you do?
My two favorite products. So thank you, sir. It's nice to meet you. Appreciate it.
Good to meet you too.
Yep. Hey guys, you know who this is. Brian Orr, HVAC School on YouTube. I still watch his videos and learn. I've been in the trade 23 years, and I go back and I learn from his videos. They're great. The #1 educational YouTube video, in my opinion, on YouTube. How you enjoying the trade show?
Oh man, this is amazing. Yeah, it's great to see everybody coming out, especially it's been a tough couple of years, so it's good to have AHR back, and great to meet everybody, great to hang out with people like the Pastorillos and do what we're doing. So yeah, it's a lot of
awesome.
fun. Yeah, thank you for all the kind words.
Enjoy yourself.
Yeah, we'll do.
Appreciate it.
I'll even take the mask off.
Hey guys, look who it is, Jessica Egan at the trade show 2022. Your husband's here with you as well?
Yeah, he's at the HVAC school booth.
Now you work for Brian Orr, right?
I do.
At his company.
Yes.
And that's awesome. What a great boss to have.
I mean,
you know?
I don't really like report to him directly.
Sure, but
he kind of spoils me.
Absolutely. You've been on Zach's live stream, on the HVAC Overtime show, you know?
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
It's fun, you know, as a woman in the industry, I want to reach out to that population that's definitely very represented in the trade. So
well, we have an apprentice, 19, well, just turned 20, and she's doing great.
Awesome.
You know? So good.
That's so cool, because I didn't find this until I was in my mid-30s, so I kind of got into it late.
Well, everybody's here, so I wish you could be here too, but you will be able to be here through my video. So awesome. Thanks, guys.
Last night, and I was like double fisting my rum and pineapple.
Yeah, like rum buckets?
I had rum and pineapple, one in each hand.
I mean, look at the comparison. Good Lord.
Oh, you're shooting it? You're shooting it?
Unbelievable, guys. What a trip. AHR, HVAC Tactical Awards. I got to drink. I got to eat. I got to gamble. I got to hobnob with some of the best in the business, in the HVAC industry, and social media. It's been an incredible trip. I want to thank you for coming along with me. I'm down on Fremont Street, live from the plaza. Appreciate you watching, guys. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. That'll notify you anytime I got a new video coming out. Leave me a comment. Hit like. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.